Hi guys, Daniel and John here, and with another one of our product and review and unboxing videos. And today we're going to be looking at a product made by a company called Honeywell. They've been around for quite a while, and it's the turbo ventilator. And this model is 25% more silent. It's a wall and floor standing fan that offers plenty of ventilation whilst being quiet. The model number is HT900EV1. It consumes around 30 watts of power and is mains powered off the plug, so it's not USB or anything. Flip the box around again. It's got 3 fan settings, and as you can see, you can put it on the wall and adjust it as you need to, and as being wall mounted. And if it was on the wall, it'd do 90 up and down, and if it was on the floor, it would do. That's basically what it does in terms of angles. So the advantage of having it on the wall is you can get it out of the way. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing to show you what's in the box, and we'll do a quick test.
How much was this?
It's around £30 at the time of making this video. So if you are thinking about buying this fan, we hope this video is of some use to you. There is an included brochure, and it does have the different colours. I wasn't aware there was a white version. I couldn't find that for sale, but I suppose it is there if you want it. The fan is quite well packaged.
Just against the box.
Yeah, it's got like a cardboard support thing in it to stop it from banging around too much.
Yeah.
I would advise you check this fan over though, just in case, as I say, it is straight against the box. You wouldn't want it to be cracked in transit. Okay. So yeah, so it's in a poly bag.
Usually it's been tied.
So it's got a nice satin black finish. It's not a gloss finish. It's a satin black, and it's all made from hard plastic. And the motion of tilting it it's on like a ratchet type, so it stays, so it doesn't gradually fall back, sort of thing. Okay.
Important thing, from my perspective, is small grill, so kids can't get their fingers anywhere near it.
Take a look at the back. As I said earlier, 3-speed setting, off 3-1. So interestingly with this, the highest is first, then the second and the lowest. So it's just an analog speed thing. The motor has got air ports at the back to keep it cool. The flex is like what you'd find on a TV appliance sort of box or something.
Obvious thing I'm going to say. Real decent plug.
That plug there is in, basically it's like a 2-pin plug, and doesn't need an earth because it's plastic, but it's in a 2-pin like plug, and it's in a 3-pin UK. It's like a converter. Yeah. So obviously they sell these Europe and
now,
worldwide.
As you can mount this on the wall. Should I just turn it on, see how it...
Yeah, let's turn it on and see what it sounds like. So it does say it's 25% more silent. I've not had one before, so I can't reference that.
The plug's got a bit of a grip edge on it, so you can pull it in and...
So that's the max setting. So is that max? Right. So okay, so it's not super. So max setting 2, 1. So so obviously it's suitable for a variety of environments. So even if you was working, you could have it on the low setting and still have the fan effect sort of thing. It's a fair amount of air. It pushes out a lot of airflow for the sound of it. It's like a fan heater type sort of sound, isn't it? A little fan heater you'd have.
It's quieter than... It's a little bit less than when you hear your microwave going.
Yeah, it's like having a microwave on, that type of...
But low level.
Yeah, definitely.
So even if you got knocked, it'd be fine.
So yeah, so that would be on the floor, so you could have it basically where you wanted to. And if we try and stick it on the wall, obviously it needs a couple of screws. Yeah, it's plenty air on it.
It's got a little carry.
So let's have a look at where the screws would go. So the screws, it doesn't come with screws or raw plugs, but basically it's like the little grooves they fit in. So you'd need to measure the distance of the centres, centre it off.
There.
Yeah, yeah. So there's some specs on here on a little thing. So if we used to put that on the wall,
for example,
so we would have this on the wall, and you could have it.
God, I'll tell you, that is efficient.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Quite nice that. Well, I'd probably have one of these for. I'll tell you what this would be good for. I know you can't do it, but my God, wouldn't it dry you quick in the shower?
Yeah, but it could keep you really cool as well.
Yeah.
So as you can see, that's what it looks like on a wall. So you can adjust it. You could have it up higher and adjust it all the way down.
What I think we need to do with this is just turn it off a minute. Just bear it. Just a little thing again.
And when you turn it off, as you can hear, it goes off straight away. There's no real.
You put it on the wall. Put that through first.
Ah, yeah, important note.
Now, bear in mind.
So how long is the lead?
It's a fair length.
Yeah, that's really nice.
Well, let's do it like your typical door is about 6 foot. So yeah, it's about 6 foot.
So that would be sort of a good height to have it up on the wall.
Well, that's a standard socket there, isn't it? Where it is.
Socket, yeah.
But if you're going to put it on the wall, just position it in your socket where you're going to go first, or see, that would go quite high up. Look.
Just bear in mind, in terms of maintenance, you might want to take it off every now and then and just give it a bit of a dust or whatever.
If you put it on the wall, again, an obvious thing. Watch when I do this how it wants to grab the lead and pull it back a bit. Just bear that in mind.
Okay.
So you need to allow a little bit in all positions. So you've got the lead, enough lead. Otherwise, if you take it to its max, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah. So you have to. Yeah.
Yeah. So you need a little bit less, yeah. But yeah, really good.
Yep. Well, happy with that. I'd say that's 10 out of 10 for that one.
In fact, I would have these probably in white in the rooms.
Yeah, I did buy these from Amazon. I wasn't aware that you could get them in white, but you can.
And it's quite. It all feels quality as well.
It's all plastic. It's not metal or anything, but it's good quality. I won't stand too close. It'll get on the mic.
I don't know if you can see my hair moving, can you?
Not really. You haven't got much.
No. Well, if I did have hair, it would take it from me. It would be moving. My eyebrows are moving.
So basically, in conclusion, it's well made, very easy to use, and puts out a lot of air for not a lot of sound. So if you know these traditional metal floor fans, they're quite big and they're quite noisy, and sometimes they'll fall back on themselves because of how they're made. With this, you wouldn't have that problem.
The only thing I've noticed as well, it's missing 2 rubber feet.
Yeah, it is actually. That might just be the one we've bought. How strange.
Or does it just have...
Or does it just have it to go, when it's in there, to go against the wall? But you'd think it'd have it on all 4 of them. It might just be the one we've got, you know. There's nothing in the bag. There's nothing in the box. Don't know if we need to look at this manual or just have a look at it. There's not really too much in here. Operating instructions. We'll just have a quick look, just in case you're...
Oh, no, there should be in there. Look, I've just pulled this one out, look. So yeah, there probably should be in there.
So there's not much in there. Basically, just says about operation and things, and it's very very simple product. It just works, yeah.
Anyway,
right.
Yeah, make sure you put some decent raw plugs in. Plasterboard, you want a thing called Eichska. They've got like a corkscrew. They're like a corkscrew. You go in plasterboard.
Like cast aluminium corkscrew and screws. Yeah. Get them from Screwfix.
I'm not going to go too much off keel here, but I'd get a little bit of wood, screw that on your wall first, and mount the stick, because there is some weight in it. Believe it or not, you wouldn't think so, but there is. But yeah,
I don't think it would pull off the wall, but if you manage to screw it into, the studs would be too far apart for that anyway. So
it wouldn't pull off the wall, but it'd probably pull the wall
if
off.
Some kid pulled the lead or something, that would pull it off.
Bear that in mind. Yeah, if you've got it on the wall.
Yeah.
Some people are accident prone, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Then just bear that in mind with the lead as well.
Just one more thing. It doesn't go left and right. It goes up and down, but it doesn't go. It goes up like that, but it doesn't go like that. So wherever you put this, if you was working and you wanted it to call you, it won't go left and right. That's
unless you've got an assistant like
unless you've got some sort of thing you've rigged up. Okay, right. So that's the Honeywell Turbo Fan, and we hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.